Okay, so today I did a wog on hills. So wogging is my friend. You know, wogging is jogging and walking. And it's really windy here today in Flagstaff. So I decided to do hills and, do 45 seconds jog, walk, run, jog, run, and then 15-second walk. And what ends up happening, I get about 27 minutes, yeah. So what I like to do is make sure that I'm having fun, that I am making it doable. So I could have changed any time whether I wanted to do 45 seconds or 40 seconds. It just doesn't matter. It really matters that I stay in touch with how I feel, you know? So I started off just a couple of minutes of jogging. Then I started up my little hill and kept my focus on my body and keeping my mouth closed so that my breathing would stay relaxed. And it was quite an enjoyable time.